Looking for the best freelancing jobs? Wondering where your talents can bring the most benefits? You're in the right place. Today, we're exploring the top 10 freelancing jobs that are in high demand, offer great pay, and provide the flexibility you need. We'll rank them based on these criteria to help you find the perfect fit for your skills and lifestyle. So, are you excited to discover where your expertise could be most profitable and fulfilling? Ready? Let's dive in, starting from number 10. At number 10, we have Social Media Manager. This job is all about helping businesses manage their online presence. As a social media manager, you'll be the one in charge of a company's social media strategy. This includes crafting social media posts, responding to followers, and analyzing the success of your efforts. Your tasks might involve creating content calendars, developing brand awareness, generating inbound traffic, and cultivating leads and sales. It's a job that requires creativity, excellent communication skills, and a solid understanding of social media trends and analytics. In terms of potential income, it can vary greatly depending on your experience and the size of the company you're working for. However, it's not uncommon for experienced social media managers to earn well into the 5-figure range annually. So, if you're savvy with social media trends, love engaging with online communities, and enjoy creating engaging content that drives action, this might be your calling. Coming in at number 9 is Content Writer, a role that's high in demand as businesses constantly need fresh content. Content writers are the creative minds behind compelling blog posts, informative articles, engaging social media posts, and other forms of digital content. Being a successful content writer is not just about having a way with words. It also requires a knack for understanding target audiences, a firm grasp on SEO principles, and the ability to conduct thorough research. As for income, it can vary widely. Novice writers may start at around $15 per hour, but with experience and a solid portfolio, one can easily demand upwards of $50 per hour. Content writing offers a lot of flexibility too. You can choose to specialize in a specific industry or write about a wide range of topics. For those with a way with words, this could be a lucrative freelancing job. At number 8, we find Graphic Designer, a creative role that allows you to bring ideas to life. As a graphic designer, you're the visual storyteller. You'll create appealing designs for websites, apps, marketing materials, and more. You're not just making things look pretty, you're communicating a message through your art. The tasks of a graphic designer can range from creating logos to designing entire brand identities. You might be working on digital illustrations one day, and print layouts the next. It's a role that requires an artistic eye, technical skills in design software, and a knack for understanding client needs. The potential income for a graphic designer can vary widely, from $30 to $100 per hour, depending on your experience and the complexity of the projects. And remember, as a freelancer, you have the flexibility to set your own rates. For the artistic freelancers out there, this might be a great fit. Number 7 on the list is SEO Consultant, a role that's all about optimizing websites for search engines. As an SEO consultant, your daily tasks might include conducting keyword research, analyzing competitors, optimizing website content, and generating detailed SEO strategies. To excel in this role, you'll need a solid understanding of how search engines work, an analytical mindset, and the ability to stay up to date with the ever-changing SEO trends and algorithms. You should also have a knack for identifying and using relevant keywords to boost a website's visibility. When it comes to potential income, it can be quite lucrative. It's not uncommon for experienced SEO consultants to earn a comfortable income, with rates often based on the complexity of the project or the client's budget. If you have a knack for understanding algorithms and keywords, this could be your ideal job. Number 6 is Virtual Assistant, a role that's all about supporting businesses from anywhere in the world. As a virtual assistant, you wear many hats. You could be managing emails one day, scheduling meetings the next, or even handling customer service issues. It's a role that requires you to be adaptable, organized, and a great communicator. In terms of skills, you'll need to be proficient with office software, such as Microsoft Office or Google Workspace. Familiarity with project management tools like Asana or Trello can also be a major advantage. The potential income for a virtual assistant can vary widely depending on your skills and the type of tasks you undertake. However, it's not uncommon for experienced virtual assistants to earn a comfortable income. So, if you're someone who thrives in a dynamic environment and has a knack for keeping things in order, this might be the freelancing job for you. If organization and administration are your strengths, this role could suit you perfectly. Cracking the top 5 is Web Developer, a role that's all about building and maintaining websites. Web developers are the architects of the digital world. They're responsible for creating the websites you visit, the apps you use, and even the games you play. Their tasks range from designing website layouts to coding applications. They need to be fluent in multiple programming languages like JavaScript, Python, or Ruby, and they should be familiar with databases and servers. Web developers also need a keen eye for detail and the ability to solve complex problems. The potential income for a web developer is quite impressive. Freelance web developers can earn anywhere from $50 to $150 an hour, depending on their skills and experience. For those who love coding and problem solving, this might be your dream job. So why not give it a shot? You might just find yourself building the next big thing on the web. At number 4, we find online tutor, a role that allows you to share your knowledge with others. As an online tutor, your tasks are more than just teaching a subject. You'll help students with their homework, prepare them for exams, and even guide them on how to approach learning effectively. You can teach a variety of subjects like mathematics, science, or languages, depending on your expertise. The skills required for this job are excellent communication, deep knowledge of your subject, and most importantly, patience. You'll need to explain complex concepts in simple terms and be understanding when students struggle. Now let's talk money. Online tutors can earn a decent income with rates typically ranging from $15 to $50 per hour, depending on your experience and subject matter. Some tutors even earn over $100 per hour for specialized subjects. If you have a passion for teaching, this could be a rewarding freelancing job. Number 3 on our list is data analyst, a role that's all about making sense of numbers and trends. As a data analyst, your day-to-day tasks involve collecting and interpreting data, analyzing results, and reporting the outcomes to the relevant members of your business. You'll be identifying patterns and trends in data sets, working alongside teams to establish business needs, and helping to develop new and improved data analysis processes. In terms of skills, you'll need a good grasp of mathematics, an analytical mindset, and proficiency in data analysis tools and software. Being detail-oriented is crucial, as is possessing excellent communication skills to clearly articulate your findings. When it comes to potential income, data analysts can expect to earn a comfortable living. While it varies widely based on experience and the complexity of the work, you can generally aim for a mid to high 5-figure annual income. For those who love crunching numbers and spotting trends, this might be the job for you. Coming in at number 2 is video editor, a role that's all about bringing stories to life through visuals. Video editors are the unsung heroes of film production, working behind the scenes to transform raw footage into a polished final product. They're responsible for cutting and splicing film, adjusting the mood and pace, and making sure the story flows seamlessly from start to finish. Now let's talk about skills. Video editors need to be proficient in various editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. But it's not just about technical skills. A keen eye for detail, creativity, and a deep understanding of storytelling are also crucial. As for potential income, it varies widely depending on experience and the complexity of the project. But on average, freelance video editors can expect to earn anywhere from $30 to $80 an hour. If you have an eye for detail and a passion for storytelling, this could be your ideal freelancing job. And finally, at number 1, we have software developer, a role that's all about creating software that powers our digital world. As a software developer, you're essentially a problem solver. You're the brain behind the computer programs and applications that we use every day. From designing, coding, and debugging software to testing and maintaining it, your skills can literally shape the future. Now, what skills do you need to succeed in this field? Well, you'll need to be proficient in at least one programming language, whether it's Java, Python, or C++, the choice is yours. A knack for problem solving, attention to detail, and a solid understanding of algorithms and data structures will also serve you well. So what about the potential income? Well, depending on your experience and expertise, you could earn anywhere between $60,000 to over $100,000 a year. If you love coding and creating, this could be the perfect freelancing job for you. And there you have it, the top 10 freelancing jobs. From managing social media channels to creating compelling content. From designing eye-catching graphics to optimizing search engine results. From assisting virtually to developing intricate websites. From tutoring online to analyzing complex data. From editing engaging videos to developing cutting-edge software. Each job offers unique opportunities and challenges. Remember, the best job for you is the one that matches your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Now go and conquer the freelancing world.